Namaskar. Congratulations on this special day, Kaoshiki Day. Kaoshiki Day was created on the 6th of September 1978. So you made it to one more year of Kaoshiki, and hope it has bring you good health, wellness, and infinite love. Now, in this video, I'd like to share with you a few tips so you could optimize from the dance. There have been a lot of questions about how to not aggravate the right hip, how to do it when you have back issues, neck issues, and all that. I'd just like to remind you that the dance can strengthen your body, build that resilience, strengthen the bones and the joints, but overcome chronic issues of lower back pain and all that if you dance properly, if you're knowing how to move in the dance. So let me remind you, one of the questions I always got from most people is we forgot how to not create more pain on the right hip, or how to prevent pain on the right hip. And this is what I'm going to remind you. I'll show you what to do. Bend the knees as you dance, always bend. And when you're bending forward, bring more weight onto the back leg, onto the left leg. You see, when you're bending forward, the right leg is straight. You're bending forward. But in this case, I would suggest you bend the right knee, bring the weight onto the left side, and so that the weight as you bend forward is even out to the left and right, and you're not concentrating on the right hip. So that's one of the things. I'm going to dance to show you how to do it. Right, left, right. Baba, nam, baba, ke, valam. Baba, nam. Touching the floor, okay, and using that pressure. Baba, baba, nam, baba, kevalam. You notice my right leg, one of the times I put my right leg quite back, so that is to counter the flexion into the extension. From the flexion of bending to the extension, bring the right leg back further, and when you're bending forward, bend, put the weight more on the left side. So that's one of the ways to prevent pain on the right hip, because we tend to depend on one side, because when we are in that movement, the right leg is forward, left leg is behind, and to distribute that weight more evenly to the left side. 1. 2, those with back issues, please do bend when you're dancing this dance. So let's see how it's done again. I'm going to the side so you could see me. Nam, baba, ke, valam. Baba, nam, baba, ke, valam. Baba, nam, baba, baba, nam, baba, ke, valam. The knees are always bent, and the bend comes from the hip, and it takes away that pressure of the lower back. Remember that. Do it slow and steady. Neck issues, how do you prevent the neck issues? I'm going to go back so you could see that my shoulders is raised slightly when I start the dance. I do it very slow, start slow, raise the shoulders slightly, engage your back, engage your core muscles, engage your back muscles, so that it takes away the pressure on the neck in the beginning as you strengthen as you dance. Repeatedly, you could bring the shoulders down, so the extension is not coming from the neck, but mostly, of course, from the thoracic area. I'm going to do that one more to show you. Baba, ke, valam. Baba, nam. Baba, ke, valam. Baba, nam. Baba, baba, nam. Baba, ke, valam. Notice when they go up and coming down, so that will help you prevent the tension on the neck. One last tip is to remember to breathe while dancing. Movement and breath is very helpful for your nervous system. And most of us forget to breathe while dancing. So remember to breathe while dancing so you can make the dance more effectively. It helps to strengthen the body, strengthen the nervous system. I'm going to do a few rounds of the dance so you can remember how to do it, what are the areas to look out for while dancing. I'm going to start slow, just for a few rounds. Ready? Dancers establish the link, the supreme consciousness, the cosmic force, and began. Din, 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 da, da. Breathing out, breathing in. Left, breathing out, breathing in. Breathing out from the belly, breathing in. Shoulders up if you need to. And breathing out. Breathing out. So breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in back. Breathe out. Bend the knees. Knees are bent as you do that. Hip from the hip, bend from the hip. Bring the weight onto the left knee. Left hip. And again. Breathing out, breathing in. Left, breathing out. Breathing in. Get ready, breathing out, bending from the hip. Put the weight onto the left leg. Breathing in, up. Last one. Baba, nam. Baba, ki, valam. Baba, nam. Engage your abdominal muscle. Baba, nam. Baba, Baba, nam. Baba, ki, valam. Baba, nam. Baba, ki, valam. Baba, nam. Baba, ki, valam. Baba, nam. Baba, Baba, nam. Baba, ki, valam. Thank you for dancing Kaośikii. I hope you share it with everyone you come across with, this special dance that could benefit each and every one of us in every sphere in our life. Thank you for dancing Kaośikii. Have a happy Kaośikii Day. Don't forget to share this video with everyone that you know so we could optimize from the special treasure that we have. Namaskar.